Having fun?
Oh, those are fun.
So this is Jeff with the Eternity Shore. Mary's here too. And it's Thursday, July 3rd, and we are trying to get down to Solomon's. And we're off to a kind of a slow start. We didn't get to the marina until about 3 o'clock due to work issues, which is fine. We're going to try to go today all the way down. We fueled up at our gas dock because we want to be fueled up for an 80-mile trip. And we did a pump out, and we got to deal with this on the 4th of July. Which it's not a no-wake zone right now, I get it. He's not too big, but we just passed a 50-foot cruiser that was going maybe 15 knots by our gas stock. But one of the major issues I have at the moment is navigation. You might be aware that my GPS, the touchscreen doesn't really work consistently, so I've hooked up an iPad to it, and now my iPad won't connect, and the touchscreen won't respond. So it's going to be a little difficult to navigate. I don't have a Navionics account. We could go ahead and get one. I know it's not that much. And then use my phone for navigation. But that's not my preference. And I tried to restart the GPS, but it's not coming back on. So I'm going to try to troubleshoot that right now. Okay, so I got to work. We got 73 miles. It is, what time is it? 4 o'clock? 4:25. So if we go 8 miles an hour like we are right now, we'll arrive at 1:13 in the morning. All right, so we've got a couple of points of departure. If we don't, we can't make it all the way down there. So, you ready to go? We're going to try to go up on plane. Okay, so it took us a while to get on plane. I was a full throttle to get up on plane, which never happens. And then we had spray coming out the starboard engine. So, I just phoned a friend, and I don't know what the heck it is. Maybe it's the fuel pump again. Maybe the starboard engine is dragging. This was his suggestion, that maybe it wasn't getting enough power. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna try to go back up on plane and see if the RPMs are matching the port side. Because maybe this fuel pump already failed or something like that. I don't know. But I'm super frustrated, and it's now getting late. We're not going to make it today, but we may make it tomorrow. We'll see. We are just outside of Hart Miller Island, and we are not supposed to be here. We are supposed to be on our way to Solomon's, and it is the 3rd. It is Thursday, and we decided today we weren't going to make it down. In fact, we had all these problems again with our engines. Starboard engine, feel like I can't get it up on plane. So I think in the end, my best guess is both of the electric fuel pumps are failing. So we're going to try to do it tomorrow in one day. Get all the way down to Solomon's in a day. Not our preference, but didn't feel like we could. We got started late, and then by the time we figured out which end was up, it was like 5:30. So we are just floating by Hart Miller Island, and we're going to go back to our marina, spend the night at the marina, and probably get up early, super early, for the 75-mile trip, and hopefully we'll make it there. We're not giving up. We're not giving up yet. I'm using my new camera, the DJI 4. So we'll see how that works. So people are starting to peel out since it is 7:30 maybe, something like that. All right, time to start those engines. So we're headed back to the marina tonight. Hit the reset button tomorrow. Going all the way to Solomons. Should be fine. Right? Go team.
Go team.
Go team. We have owned this boat for 4 years. And we've gone to a lot of different places, and we've gone as far south as Oxford, but we've never gone underneath the Chesapeake Bay Bridge with this boat. We used to with our deck boat. Today's going to be the first time we go underneath the bridge with Eternity Shore 2.